Hello dear friends, welcome to English Easy Learn. In the previous video, I had given 20 sentences for basic practice. This video is the continuation of those, and here also I am going to share around 20 sentences. Start to practice, so definitely you will find a tremendous improvement in your language. When you start to practice, so have a pace and please speak slowly, so the person one who is listening to you, they also understand, and you also will have a confidence that I am speaking. Let us start today's 20 sentences. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Come with me. Come with me. How was your day? How was your day? How are your parents? How are your parents? Don't take leave. Don't take leave. Come to school regularly. Come to school regularly. Why don't you in uniform? Why don't you in uniform? Where are your shoes? Where are your shoes? Come, let's go. Come, let's go. Why are you looking outside? Why are you looking outside? Why didn't you complete your homework? Why didn't you complete your homework? Where is your book? அதை ஸ்பெசிஃபையாக கேட்கணும்னா where is your English book? Are you in fever? Are you in fever? Are you suffering from fever? இது இப்படியும் கேட்க முடியும். Are you suffering from fever? Do you have headache? Do you have headache? தலைவலி. Do you have stomachache? Do you have stomachache? Do you feel sleepy? Do you feel sleepy? இதை do you feel drowsy அப்படின்னு கேட்கலாம். Why are you playing? Why are you playing here? Take your textbook. Take your textbook. Don't disturb others. ஸோ யாரையாவது ஸ்பெசிஃபை பண்ணி சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா don't disturb Ragul. Don't disturb her. அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லிக்க முடியும். It is not your work. It's not your work. இதை mind your business அப்படின்னு ஒரே வார்த்தையில் ஒரே சென்டென்ஸில் கூட சொல்ல முடியும். சிம்பிளாகவும் சொல்ல முடியும். Mind your business. Let it be. No problem, no problem. Let it be. If you talk in Tamil, I will punish you. If you talk in Tamil, I will punish you. You must talk in English. You must talk in English. Try to speak English. Try to speak English. Thank you for listening. This sentences definitely will be a helpful one. Please listen repeatedly, so let it get recorded in your mind, so at the time when you need in the classrooms or outside of the classrooms, you will be able to use. Thank you.